Good morning, children. How are you? I am glad to see you. Our same of the lesson, daily routine. I am a teacher at school number 10, мұқғалімі мектебінің. In today's lesson, aim of the lesson, use the present simple tense to describe daily routines, using correct sentence structures for informative, to talk and write about their own and others' routines using appropriate vocabulary in the grammar. Our grammar rule is present simple, affirmative form. Personal pronoun, singular, first person, I, you, he, she, it. Verb, work, жұмыс істеу. Plural, personal pronoun, we, you, they. Rules, use of the present simple. Learn new phrase. Open your copybook and write new phrase. In the morning, таңертең. In the afternoon, күндіз. In the evening, кешке. At night, түнде. Repeat after me. Next. Look at the pictures. What does Kevin do in the morning, afternoon, evening? Do it. Have dinner, watch TV, play computer games, have breakfast, do homework, go to the gym, have lunch, go to school, get up early, go to bed, meet his friends. Now, okay? Well done. Excellent job. Next task, match the pictures with phrase. Read and translate. We have 1 minute. Our next task, talk about daily routine. Make a dialogue with picture. Student A, student B. Look at the picture and make a dialogue with in pairs. Okay? We form the present simple with the infinitive of the verb. Subject plus infinitive. I work, you work, we work, you work, they work. Subject plus infinitive plus is, is. He works, she works, it works. Our next rule is for the third person singular. in general infinitive plus s. I read, he reads. Verbs in the in y. I play, he plays. I study, he studies. Verbs ending in o, sh, tch, x, double s plus es. I go, he goes. I watch, he watches. I kiss, he kisses. I wash, he washes. I fix, he fixes. Now students, we make affirmative sentences. He go. He goes to school. Okay, excellent, good job. Next, make affirmative sentences. They eat. What is the correct answer? They eat a lot. Okay, amazing job. Our next, for example, she surfed. The correct answer, she surfs the internet. Negative sentences, they read. What is the correct answer? They don't read. Okay, well done. Next, he works. Make negative sentences. He doesn't work. Okay, so next task. Write the affirmative negative form of the verb in brackets. Next task. Ask your friend.